Good afternoon all. Today I am going to discuss about cross section of eye. Eye consists of outer, middle and inner structures. Outer structure is cornea and sclera. Cornea consists of 1/3, interior 1/3, sclera consists of posterior 2/3. Middle portion is consist of iris, ciliary body and choroid. Inner structure consists of retina. Now this is the cornea. Outer structure is sclera. Inside cornea there is iris, that is pigmented portion. As this is a cross section, so we are looking like this. Behind the iris there is a this is the aperture quad pupil. Behind the iris there is lens. As middle structure consists of iris, this is ciliary body and this is choroid plexus. From ciliary body there is zonula of Zinn. These fiber-like structures which hold together the lens. Behind the lens there is a cavity. It is filled with vitreous gel. As middle portion there is this is choroid plexus. This portion is behind the ciliary body. This portion is pars plana. Inner structure consists of retina. There is defect in retina. This is called fovea. Fovea is highly sensitive structure as it is consists of 90% of the cone cells. It is deficient in rod cells, ganglionic cell and blue cone cells. Here at pars plana retina ends. This is called ora serrata, the peripheral termination of retina. This is the thinnest portion of the retina. Now from ciliary body this humor is aqueous humor is formed. Aqueous humor travel inside this consists of posterior chamber. Posterior chamber is between iris and lens, and anterior chamber between cornea and iris. The flow of aqueous humor from posterior chamber to anterior chamber. From anterior chamber it goes to iridocorneal angle. This is of 40 degree. From iridocorneal chamber angle it goes to trabecular meshwork, and from trabecular meshwork it goes to scalum canal. From scalum canal it goes to uveosacral veins, episcleral veins. Sorry. This is the main pathway of aqueous outflow. This is the main pathway, trabecular outflow or conventional pathway. 90% of aqueous goes to this pathway. Less 10% is uveosacral outflow. This is from posterior chamber to suprachoroidal space. Now above the sclera there is tenon capsule. Behind the tenon capsule there is subtenon space. As we are looking at the cross section, this is lids, upper lid, this is below lower lid. As you know, cornea is thin membranous structure. As we blink, these lids can cause trauma to this cornea. So there is in between there is small thin transparent structure is present. This is conjunctiva, and this angle is where it get U-turn is fornix. And as you are looking here, this is optic nerve. It is passes by the lamina cribrosa because these are fenestrated structures, and optic nerve is myelinated here. Thank you so much.